Well, a contagious respiratory disease has nearly doubled in cases since last year in Texas, and the chance of spreading has heightened with back-to-school season in full swing.
Fox 51's Rachel Davis spoke to East Texas parents about their concerns.
No one understands the struggle of back-to-school sickness better than parents of young children.
It's sad to see your child in those conditions, and you want to do everything to help them and not to see them like that.
One sickness is on the rise here in Texas.
So whooping cough is also known as pertussis.
Yeah, I've had some friends that had kids that had it. It sounds really bad. And that it's really scary.
A pediatrician and former chair of the Texas Public Health Coalition, Jason Turk, says anyone can get whooping cough, but
when babies get pertussis, it can be very, very serious. And babies, particularly in the first 2 months of life, who get pertussis can actually die from it.
According to the CDC, more than double the cases of whooping cough were reported compared to this time last year.
The other thing that we see with pertussis is it tends to be something that comes in waves.
He says in the Lone Star State, we had 166 cases by this time last year, but this year
We've had a total of 376 cases of pertussis reported from.
Given these rising numbers, doctors are recommending taking precautions.
Have to keep in mind that we're now getting into back to school time and people will be commingling a lot more, and so the risk is going to be higher as a result of that.
To keep children safe and prevent sickness
Is to make sure that we're staying up to date and current on our recommended vaccines,
while advising local parents to make sure their kids wash their hands.
That way you won't catch what they have and not get sick and then bring it home, and everybody gets sick at home as well.
But parents also remember,
try not to worry. Take care of them, the best of your ability, and try not to worry.
Rachel Davis, Fox 51 News.